As a young Tibetan activist, I protest because I believe that a free Tibet is possible. For as long as I can remember, I've marched alongside my Tibetan brothers and sisters, hand in hand, calling out for justice, freedom, and human rights in Tibet. However, it was over 10 years ago, when I was just 13 years old, that I realized the true power of protesting when hundreds and thousands of Tibetans and Tibet supporters from around the globe came together to protest the 2008 Beijing Olympics. For the first time in my life, I witnessed young children, students, monks and nuns, bobolas and momolas, and community leaders all come together to echo the same message: one world, one dream, free Tibet. I protest because I believe that when people come together, when entire communities come together, we can move mountains. I protest because I believe in a Tibet where monks and nuns can freely practice and preserve our rich Tibetan Buddhist religion, where young children can go to school to learn to read, write, and speak our beautiful Tibetan language, and where young Tibetans, like myself, who were born and raised in exile, can finally return to our homeland to be reunited with our families. I protest because I was taught to stand on the right side of history, to speak out against injustices, and to stand for the truth. With so much senseless violence and oppression occurring in communities all around the world, from the East to the West, it is imperative that now more than ever, we must stand united and protest, not just because it is our moral obligation to those who came before us and those after us, but it is also our duty as citizens of this world. Pögelo.